been doing well. Just want to hop on and go over a quick thing I did to the car real quick. Plus, stay tuned. We got some good racing going on, a little bit of test and tune that has happened over the past couple of days. So stay tuned for those videos coming up. I was pretty impressed with some of the cars out there, some of them good friends of mine. Y'all be sure to stay tuned because we do have the track opening up in about 3 weeks. So there's going to be a lot of videos, a lot of editing, stuff like that. But I'm super excited. I'm super pumped for it. I look forward to doing all this with you guys and hope y'all enjoy it. Let me know what y'all think and we'll kind of go from there. So real quick, I'm going to show you just what I did to the car this last week and we'll jump right into the racing. All right, so what we did is we went to a different tire. So this is the same size tire, but it is a Hoosier instead of a Nitto. And the reason behind this was I was hoping that the NT05 I had on the back here was going to do better than obviously the all season I had before then, but also have better grip. And the tread wear on it was, I think, a 200 or 240-ish. So it was a lot softer than what I was using obviously before, but it didn't really do the job correctly. I was still getting a little bit of wheel hop off the line when I was launching, and anything really above 2,000 RPM was just spinning. All spin, a lot of bouncing. I do have the drag bags in there, but as you can see, they're right there. That was helping, but not completely fixing the problem. So, talked to a good buddy of mine, and he was saying, you know, just go bias ply, and I wanted to go to bias ply, but only thing that Hoosier has, and Mickey Thompson as well, is in a 15, and these are 17. So I couldn't go with the bias ply like I wanted to, unless I ran a 28 by 1150 17, which will definitely rub. Unfortunately, these cars don't let you get the biggest tire underneath them. So this was my best option. This is a DR2 Hoosier, and its size is 275/40/17. So I went ahead and tried these out. I just got them on a day or two ago, so I wanted to go down, and you'll see in the videos later on in this video the actual difference this did with timing. 60-foot mile per hour, 0 to 60 was a lot better. So super excited. I ran them about 18 pounds, and then I had them at 20 before that. So they don't bite and wrinkle like an actual bias ply. This is technically still a radial, but they definitely launched totally different. I mean, I was amazed at the difference between these and the NT05s just from a dead stop. They hook anything under 3,000. I mean, these things are hooking. So really excited. I really want to use these all year, as much as I can get out of them, at least for the season on the track, and definitely find out how well we're gonna do out there. And so those are good. I do have some front runners on the way. They're back ordered 4 weeks, 2 to 4 weeks is what I was quoted from Mickey Thompson. So those are on the way. Hopefully have those just in time before the track opens up. And I'm just gonna be using for the time being the spare wheels. So I have an extra one I ordered. This just came in today. So we're gonna get these tires off because they are old, and had the Mickey Thompson front runners on there. Hopefully we'll pick up mile an hour and some time as well on the track. So enough of that. That was just a quick update on what I did with the tires. So far they are awesome. I'm loving them, even though I've only used them a little bit, but the track will definitely tell me what's the best time I can get out of these. So I'm super excited. We'll see. Eventually, if I can, I would love to have a 15 on there to get the absolute biggest and best tire possible. But for the time being, we're going to use this. We're going to dial in the car, figure out what's going on with the car, what we need to tune and adjust, and then just kind of go from there. So enough about this. We're going to jump straight into some racing. Hope y'all enjoy. Leave a comment, subscribe, and like it for me, okay? See y'all later. trippy.
Yeah, I think you gotta do yeah. You want back up in it again?
Yeah, back up.
Wow.
Traction cut on because it's
you have a way to turn the traction control off?
When
It turned off and reset it. Yeah. Hey, this happened to me in the track. And bears. It was so embarrassing.